Here's some late model muscle at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a beautiful 2023 Dodge Challenger RT with the shaker package. Best of all, one owner car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, and actual miles at 5,641 on the odometer at the moment. Of course, the 5.7 liter Hemi Power paired up with a 6-speed manual transmission. Let's take a look at this front grille, fascia, chin spoiler. You can see great shape. Nicely equipped, of course, power steering, power brakes, AC, and we're going to get into some more of the options here in just a bit. I will not be able to hit every option on this car, so refer to the window sticker that will be in with the still pictures. And speaking of still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. 20-inch by 9-inch, low gloss granite crystal wheels. Beautiful looking wheel. You can see the paint on this car. It's like glass. When you look in the still pictures, you're basically going to see a reflection of everything around it. It's in very, very nice shape, what you'd expect on a late model, low mile car. And it looks like it's wet, basically like glass. All right, as you can note, the side glass windshield, it's dark, so know your local and state laws as far as your percentage of window tint that you can have. I want to make you aware of that. Take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's really free of any major nicks, dings, scratches, and again, look at the reflection of the wall behind me. Very nice paint. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see the dual exhaust exiting the rear fascia, spoiler, also all in nice shape. Backup camera. I mentioned the window sticker. So on that window sticker, I'll hit some of the options. You're going to notice it does have line lock on it. Does have the heated and ventilated seats, the Napa Performance buckets, HD radio with the 8.4-inch touchscreen, the Uconnect, and then it has the upgraded Harman Kardon audio group. Speakers with the sub. I believe there's 11 speakers. Again, take a look at the window sticker. It's going to give you all the information on exactly how this car was equipped, new from Dodge. And those pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like these late model sports cars or just sports cars in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase online. We're off our showroom floor. The big Brembo brakes, red calipers, and that is front and rear, as you can see. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. And it's as clean as you would expect, of course. Your modern amenities, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, memory seating. I mentioned the Harman Kardon speaker system. There's those Napa bucket seats. Now, it looks like it's discolored here. That's a reflection of the, I shouldn't say reflection, but the shadow of the steering wheel, and then the light. Look in the still pictures. I took pictures with the light off so you can see. Seats are like new. All right. Actual miles, there they are, 5,641. Let's fire this thing up. Of course, everything works as it should, no surprises. Nice sounding car. Let's make sure the 6-speed is in neutral. There's the touchscreen I was talking about. Of course, electronic climate control, and that is dual climate control. Dash all looks good. There is a power sunroof or moonroof, I guess what you prefer. You can see that hopefully. There you go. Let's go ahead and I'm going to open that so I can show you from the outside. sunroof working as it should. Let's listen. Nice rumble coming out of that Hemi. Again, 5.7 liter Hemi RT with the shaker package. Let me go ahead and pause this a second. We want to get this hood open so you can check out that engine bay, and then stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take it for a drive. There's a good look at the hood with the hole for that shaker, cold air intake, and of course your modern amenities underneath here too. Power steering, power brakes, AC, that AC blowing cold. Stock also, I've not noticed really any modifications on this one. It's a good looking car, no surprises. That clean Carfax, one owner, low miles, what you'd expect. 2023 Dodge Challenger RT. Number to call 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember the window tint, know your local and state laws. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Here we have a 2023 Dodge Challenger with a shaker hood and a 6-speed manual transmission. Got a sunroof over my head, black on black. This car looks really good. Sounds good as well. And of course, for the stick shift, this is the most fun you're gonna have. Rev it up right where you want. That was fourth. I was up over the speed limit, I'm sorry to say, and fourth, quickly and easily. Now we're in sixth and cruising along at 1500 RPM at 60 miles an hour. If the dash is flickering at all, that's just our camera's frame rate. The car's dash looks awesome. We have real needles on the gauges for the speedometer and tachometer. Also digital speedometer. The temperature gauge is showing almost halfway. The fuel gauge is 3/4 of the way up. It's giving us our approximate miles per gallon in a tiny little area up at the top. And as I let off the throttle, it says 70 to 80 miles per gallon. So just stay off the throttle if you want that, but what fun is that? Brakes feel very good. Clutch feels very good. This is a like new machine. Corners really flat. This car is made to perform. Bucket seats. Very comfortable yet form-fitting and ready to take corners. It feels like in these seats they hug very well. Take a look at all the pictures of this Challenger at uniqueclassiccars.com.